In the journey of transforming a house into a home, every detail counts, especially your flooring. It's not just a part of your home's foundation, it's a statement of your style, comfort, and the warmth you wish to convey to every guest who walks through your door. But with a myriad of options out there, how do you make the right choice without falling into the trap of common pitfalls? That's where we step in. 1. The hidden cost of cheap materials. Opting for cheaper materials might seem like a win initially, but the long-term costs in repairs and replacements can be a homeowner's nightmare. Luxury vinyl plank, or LVP, offers a sweet spot between affordability and durability, ensuring your floors look timeless without breaking the bank. 2. Ignoring waterproof options for wet areas. The allure of traditional hardwood is undeniable, but in spaces like kitchens and bathrooms, moisture can wreak havoc. LVP flooring is 100% waterproof, offering peace of mind and lasting beauty in areas prone to spills and splashes. 3. Underestimating the value of professional installation. DIY projects can be rewarding, but when it comes to flooring, precision and expertise are key. Redeemed Flooring provides professional installation with a 1-year warranty, ensuring your floors are flawlessly installed and guaranteed to last. 4. Overlooking floor prep. Proper floor prep is crucial for a seamless installation. Our team offers free floor prep, ensuring that every plank lies perfectly, preventing future issues and elevating the overall look and feel of your flooring. 5. Skipping the freebies that save money and hassle. Believe it or not, many companies charge extra for necessities. We stand out by including free pads, material delivery, and even existing baseboard removal and reinstallation, if in good condition, at no extra cost. 6. Neglecting the importance of a warranty. A good warranty not only protects your investment, but also reflects the confidence a company has in its product and installation services. With our 1-year installation warranty, your satisfaction and peace of mind are guaranteed. 7. Forgetting to verify licenses and reviews. Always check for a company's license, insurance, and reviews before making a decision. With a 4.9 out of 5 rating on Google Reviews, our contractor license, and comprehensive insurance, Redeemed Flooring stands as a beacon of reliability and excellence in the SF Bay Area. Now that you're equipped with the insider knowledge on navigating the vast world of flooring options, it's time to make an informed decision. Don't let the common pitfalls derail your home improvement journey. Choose Redeemed Flooring for a seamless, worry-free experience that brings your vision to life. Ready to step into the future of flooring? Let us help you unlock the door to your dream home today. So, transform your home with floors that tell your story. Contact Redeemed Flooring now at 1-800-WOOD-015 and discover the perfect foundation for your life's best moments. Don't forget to visit our website at redeemedflooring.com for more inspiration and to schedule your free consultation.